Everyone, so this is Harsh, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can basically automate the YouTube video uploading, where you just need to basically get the link of your YouTube get the link of your video, and then you just need to put that link in this particular workflow. And once you put that link, this workflow will automatically process the video, download the video, and automatically it will upload that video to YouTube. So again, and in my last video I have shown you the complete faceless automation system that actually create videos on autopilot. But again, in that video a lot of people actually emailed me that they didn't understand how to basically do this uploading part. That's why they have skipped that part, right? So basically in this video I'm going to show you the complete setup of how to exactly set up all of this in a very layman term, so that you can understand and you can basically do the same for yourself, so that you don't need to basically upload each and every video manually. That will ultimately take somewhere between 25 to 30 minutes of your time every day, right? So again, let's first run this particular workflow, and then let me show you if it actually works or not, right? So let's do that. Yeah, so now it is working, and in the background it's downloading the video. Okay, let me, yeah, my mistake, there are two nodes basically. So yeah, now let's do it again. Yeah, so now it is downloading that video, and if we just see here, if you just come to the video section, the video is now basically processing, as you can see, and in a moment it will start uploading, right? So let me open this one. So yeah, let me put myself here, and we just need to basically wait for some times, and now it's already there, right? So now it's already uploaded on the YouTube. So let's look at the video. So as you can see, the video has been automatically uploaded on YouTube with the title and everything. So now let's understand how basically how to do the exact same thing that we just did. So to build this workflow, the first thing that we need to do is we need to define all the parameters that we want in our video, right? So for that, let me create another workflow in the same dashboard. So the first thing that we need to add is basically edit field, where we'll be going to define everything by ourselves, right? So as you can see here, this is the JSON mode, and all of this, let's copy this JSON code here. Yeah, so let's say station, and now let's say if you just copy this code, and let's say if you want to get this title dynamically, so what you can do, basically you can watch my previous video, set that system up, and then basically in the end you can get the title from the node, where we have generated the title based upon the prompt through AI, right? So you can use that title here, which will dynamically create a title. So every time you give the different instruction, it will create a different video title, and then you can plug the title here. So now again, let's give it a title. Oh yeah, switch, right? And now the category ID, here again, see, you cannot put any ID here. So for that, what you should do is like come over to search bar and go search for YouTube categories ID, right? And then you will find the list of YouTube video category IDs. Now in any depending on the type of video that you are uploading, put that category ID from this. Let's say if you are uploading how to style videos, add 26 as an category ID here instead of 27. And here privacy status should be public, or let's say again, let's say if you want to unlist your video, you can use unlist. Let's say if you want to make your video private, you can put that as well here. So that's it. Again, for shorts video, you can just this is more than enough. Let's say if you're putting up long form video, you need to add more thing here, like a description and everything. But yeah, for now it is there. And the next step is like we need to have a video location, right? Again, this is really important step. If you skip this step, you won't be able to upload video automatically on YouTube, right? So for that, let's say what we are doing is here, we are actually fetching this Google API URL from the Google Cloud Console and the Google YouTube API, right? So just copy that and put it here, right? So again, here we are going to use this method get. Let me okay, so again we are going to use this method post, right? That's the setting of the YouTube API. And here authentication will use the predefined credential type, which is going to be YouTube auth 2. Now I'll show you how you can set this up. So for that, the first thing that you need to do is go to Google Cloud Console, and here the first thing is like click on these three dots, if you don't have account with Google Cloud, first create account and then come to this API and service section. Click on this enable APIs and services, and click again on this enable button. Now search for YouTube API, and here you need this one YouTube data API. Click on that, and here you will find the enable button if this is for the first time that you are doing. And once you enable that, that's it basically, right? And again, this is the documentation of the YouTube data API. Let's say if you want to read this, you can. So basically, this URL that we are putting up here, you can find that from this particular documentation of YouTube. Let me, yeah, this one. You need to read this one, and then you will find the API URL. Just use that URL. So this is the one, right? Yeah. So as you can see, this is the one, v3, and then the method should be post. Now again, here once you have enabled that, now the next step for you is like to click on this 3 icon, come out to the API services, click on this auth consent screen, and now click on this client and click on this create client, right? And under this, once you click the web application, give it a name, any name that you want. Let's say YouTube test. I'll give it YouTube test posting automation, right? This is the name, and under the authorized redirect URI, what you should do, you should basically, let me show you. So here, come over to this, create a credential, search for YouTube auth to API, click on continue, and you will get this particular URL. Just copy this, and under the authorized redirect URI, add the URL at that URL, and click on create. And now you will get this client ID and secret. Just copy the client ID, paste it here into the client ID, and same for like client secret, copy it and paste it over here, and give it a name, whatever name that you can remember. Paste automation, right? So yeah, save it, and that's it. Once you are done setting up all of this, okay, now you have to sign in with Google basically, so that you can access your account, YouTube account, which will later then it will use to automatically post any videos that you want. So its connection is successful. Now we are done with this. Now come over to this particular workflow. In under the predefined credential type, select your own, select the one that you just created, right? So okay. Okay, now select this YouTube Auth API, and under that, let me, okay, let me refresh this so that we can get the new credential that you set up, right? So under this, yes, so YouTube test posting automation, this is the one that we have just created. And now once we are done with that, we just need to basically add this JSON body here as an parameter. Snippet is this, so let's do that. Turn on this JSON body, give it a name snippet, execute this node, and drag this snippet over here. And same for basically status. Yep. Click on this add parameter status and drag it over here, add property, and okay, not this one, let me, yep. So in the end, response, include response header and status, turn on that. Let's delete this one and turn on this, right? And that's it basically. Once now if you just test this step, click on this. Okay, we need to connect it with trigger. Let's connect it and delete this one. Yeah, so now the location has been created, and now we'll use this location in further the workflow. So now the next step should be to click on this plus icon, and now we need a video in binary form, right? So let's say if you have store your videos in Google Drive, so you have to first download that video from the Google Drive file. Click on this download video, and under this, let me paste the URL. Yep. Under this, click on this by URL, and yep. and now test the step. So it will download the file from the Google Drive and it will give you the binary form of that file, right? Now the next step is like upload it on YouTube basically. So for that, let's say this is the last node that we have, right? So we don't need to do anything at all. The last step is like quite very simple. Click on this, select the HTTP request, get this one, right? Let me just double check. Put okay. So select the method put, because we are going to add this video to YouTube. So for that, we have to select this method put, right? And now we need the location from the previous node, which is this one. So that now we are going to upload the video that we have got from the Google Drive to this particular location, correct? And the authentication is basically predefined YouTube or auth, and select this, yeah, testing, and send body. This should be the binary file, and under that this should be the data, correct? Let me just double check this. Yeah, now if we run this one, the video will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. So now let's test it out. Yeah, so workflow is successfully executed. So now let's check the channel. Okay, so now another video is now processing the Narendra Modi speech, and let's see if it will upload. Okay, yeah, so now it is uploaded. So let's click on that. See, so now if you just check the short section, so this is the one that I've just showed you in the beginning of this video, and this is the one we have just uploaded through the workflow that we have created just a moment ago, right? So I think now I really believe that you have enough idea of like how to upload YouTube videos automatically on your channel. And if you have any doubts, any questions, please leave a comment below, and then I will be happy to answer any sort of comments around this or any other automation videos that I have created. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.